other people. We are here in a special thing. We was going to the Colombia embassy, but we find special la Feria del Libro, la tierra de Vargas Llosa. This is very cool. We hear some music from Santander, Carranga. It's amazing. Thanks for hear this music. We have a song for this. If you think I'm trumpet, I'm singer. I like to hum my walking on the beaches on the morning, but I'm good guy. Yeah. If you think I'm trumpet, I'm singer. I like to hum my walking on the beaches on the morning, but I'm good guy. Yeah. This is a song I made from one of my brothers in Colombia. He is from my town, from my place, from my one culture. So thank you so much for hearing this culture, and we support so much of the bookseller from Hannah Bailey, all this context. We are so excited to be making collaboration with all of you guys. So let's enjoy this place, this culture around the world and around this place and this beautiful atmosphere. So be good. God bless you. I love you too.